Hey everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eyeshadow look. It's beginner friendly tutorial. It is red and silver eye makeup look. If you're wearing a red color attire, please give this eyeshadow look a try. It's very easy. If you're interested in knowing how to achieve this step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. As my makeup palette, I'm using this very colorful Be Perfect Excel Pro palette, Stassi Maria, and picking this eyeshadow for my crease. Move brush back and forth on your crease. Lift your eyebrow when you're depositing eyeshadow on your crease. Creases will not appear. I'm intensifying red eyeshadow. Build eyeshadow. Lift your eyebrow when you're moving brush back and forth. Creases will not appear. Eyeshadow will disperse very nicely if you raise your eyebrow. Move brush back and forth and in circular motion. After covering my crease, I'm applying the same on my outer V. To deepen outer V further, I'm using red eyeshadow. Intensity on outer V should be greatest. Intensify your outer V further using black. Tap a little and begin moving in circular motion for black to blend with red. Take it towards the crease along with outer V, but traces of black eyeshadow should be greater on your outer V. Intensity on crease should be less. Keep moving in circular motion for black to blend well with red. Hold the brush very lightly when you're blending eyeshadows. I'm using this very beautiful and nice liquid silver liquid eyeshadow from Color Gel. I'm using a very small flat brush, pack 383, to apply silver liquid eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line, keep it within the crease and begin pushing on the mid liquid eyeshadow towards outer V to blend silver liquid eyeshadow with outer V eyeshadow. Make it early. Liquid eyeshadow should not dry. If liquid eyeshadow dries, you cannot blend it. Before it dries, push it towards the outer V to blend liquid eyeshadow with outer V. I'm applying winged eyeliner now. Next, I'm creating point here. This pointed inner corner makes your eye look so beautiful. Now I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using kajal from Color Bar. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line using red eyeshadow. Move brush back and forth. Kajal should seem smudged and traces of red eyeshadow be visible on your lower lash line. I'm coating mascara now. I'm using Faces Canada mascara to intensify my eyelashes. And it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Thanks for your time. Take care and bye.